Are you ready to transform your space into the ultimate Valentine's Wonderland? Whether you're hosting a romantic dinner, a party with friends, or just treating yourself, these Valentine's wall decor ideas will make your home overflow with love and style. What are the trending Valentine's wall decor ideas this year? This year's Valentine's Day decor trends are all about personalization, creativity, and style. Incorporating modern ideas into your wall decor ensures your space feels fresh and on trend. Personalized neon signs with love quotes or names are hugely popular, casting a soft, romantic glow over your room. Floral wall art is another standout trend, arranging faux or fresh flowers into heart shapes or spelling out words like love adds a bold, romantic statement. Minimalist lovers are gravitating towards sleek black and white prints, accented with red, to create a chic, understated look. Explore our playlist in the description for more Valentine's inspirations. What are the essential Valentine's wall decor elements everyone should have? Valentine's Day decor begins with a few timeless essentials. The key is to build your decorations around colors, themes, and materials that scream love and romance. Start with classic Valentine's colors like red, pink, white, and gold. Incorporate these hues into wall hangings, garlands, and lighting for a cohesive look. Themes like hearts, roses, and love quotes can elevate the romantic vibe of any space, whether displayed as framed prints or wall decals. To tie it all together, mix materials like soft velvets, glittery metallics, or rustic wooden accents for a rich and inviting texture. Like this video if these decor ideas inspire you to celebrate love and style. How do you use lighting to enhance Valentine's wall decor? Lighting can completely transform your Valentine's wall decor, creating a dreamy and intimate ambiance that amplifies the romance. Fairy lights are a versatile option to add twinkle and warmth to your space. String them along garlands, frames, or drape them directly on walls. Floating shelves with LED candles are perfect for achieving a soft, flickering glow that feels cozy and safe. If you want to add a unique touch, projection lights that cast heart or star patterns onto your walls can create a magical atmosphere. Subscribe now for more enchanting home decor ideas. How can you make budget-friendly Valentine's wall decor? Creating a romantic ambiance doesn't have to cost a fortune. You can craft stunning Valentine's wall decorations with affordable materials and some DIY magic. Paper garlands are a great starting point. Cut out heart shapes or flowers from colored paper, string them together, and drape them across your walls. Repurposing everyday items also helps save money. Tie ribbons around picture frames, add fairy lights to mirrors, or decorate existing shelves with Valentine's flair. For unique yet inexpensive touches, check out thrift stores for frames or vases that you can customize with paint or stickers. Comment below with your favorite budget-friendly Valentine's decor hack. How can you incorporate sustainability into Valentine's wall decor? Eco-friendly Valentine's decorations not only help the planet, but also make your home feel more meaningful and unique. Sustainable decor ideas are perfect for those looking to celebrate consciously. Recycled materials like cardboard and fabric scraps can be turned into stunning garlands or wall art. Multi-use items like neutral-colored string lights or fabric banners are perfect for Valentine's Day and other occasions throughout the year. Incorporating natural elements such as dried flowers, twigs, or branches adds a rustic yet eco-friendly touch to your wall decor. Find eco-friendly products and tips linked in the description. Can you create an interactive Valentine's wall? Interactive walls add a personal, fun, and engaging element to your Valentine's decor. They're perfect for making memories or involving loved ones in the celebration. Consider setting up a love notes board where guests or family can write heartfelt messages or pin up photos. A photo collage wall is another sentimental option. String up your favorite romantic or family moments with clips and fairy lights for a beautiful, nostalgic touch. You could also add a bucket list wall for you and your partner, listing romantic goals or date ideas for the future. Check the description for links to more Valentine's content like this. Valentine's Day is all about love, and your wall decor should reflect that. Whether you go bold with trendy neon signs, create an interactive photo wall, or stay eco-conscious with sustainable materials, the possibilities are endless. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Your creativity could inspire others.